Okay, so Elisha and Nick didn't finish this thing, so I'm gonna have to finish it. But it won't make sense without this part because like we kind of didn't film this part together. But our conspiracy theory is about like birds not being real because they aren't real, and they're secretly like government drones and some birds. But yeah. So insert videos of the other stuff.
You ever just look in the sky and think them birds are fake as fuck? You know?
No.
Wait, I want to say something.
Okay,
That
so
you're gonna like kind of because I don't know anything about this theory.
okay, so John F. Kennedy, right? He proposed a deal, and he said that he wanted 100,000 birds killed and replaced with drones. And then soon after he proposed that deal, stop.
100,000 birds.
Yeah, soon after he like proposed that deal, no one knows if he went through with it or if he didn't because he was assassinated like right after. So yeah.
Speaking of this is what? Status quo is kind of the generally accepted thing. So
Okay.
people think birds.
Most people think birds are birds. You know what I mean?
People think that, like, they just think that, oh, they just fly around and do nothing, alright? But look here, buddy.
So are you on board with this? Like, you believe this? You and Jackie?
Yeah. Yeah, like have you ever just like looked at a bird and like it just looked at you back?
Yeah, like, I looked right into his eyes, and it was just staring
So
at me.
is there like one bird assigned to every like citizen? Do you think, or
They just go around
No,
and just
I think
watch.
there's just 100. Like there's only that 100,000. Some of them might be real, some of them not.
okay? So there are some real birds out there.
Yeah.
Is it a certain kind of bird that is this surveillance bird?
Pigeons. I think pigeons. Have you ever seen a baby pigeon?
I've never seen a baby pigeon in my life.
And like pigeons are all over like some of the the more popular areas. You know what I mean?
So when did you start to have, or why do you have these suspicions?
Because they look weird and like that. The fact.
So no baby birds,
No baby birds, they look
and they
just
look
weird.
back at you.
Yeah, and like the fact that like he was killed right
And
after.
have you
he
seen their
proposed
eyes
it.
kind of like just, like
They're
how
just like
zooming in or something?
Yeah, they're like beady. They're like
Okay.
like you know how the way Nick stares at Elisha? Like no. They aren't real because they're secretly government drones, right? Right? Okay, yeah. So
Bro.
okay, so there was an article that stated that John F. Kennedy wanted to kill 100,000 birds and then replace them with drones. And soon after this happened, he was assassinated. So I think that he actually went through with it. Somebody didn't like it. They went pow pow. Let's just like add this at the end of our presentation so that it's like a lot longer. PG-13 presentation. I'm gonna post this on YouTube and then you're gonna get shot.
You ever just look at a bird and think, man, that shit. Oh my god.
So, shut up. There was an article, right? Yeah, and yeah. And it said that like John F. Kennedy wanted to like
Oh my god.
stop. Okay, we gotta start. Stop. No,
Elisha killed John.
Elisha did not kill John F. Kennedy. That said that John F. Kennedy wanted to kill 100,000 birds and replace them with drones. And
No.
hi. And then an article, right? It said that John F. Kennedy wanted
John F. Kennedy.
to stop. He wanted to kill 100,000 birds. And what?
Elisha killed him.
Stop. There's an article that.
Jackie, could you be class ambassador because Lotus has so much?
Yeah, I got you.